Speculations arrive that rebel BJP MP Shatrughan Sinha may join the Congress party today. Sinha, who is a two-term BJP Lok Sabha member from Patna Sahib, has been dropped by the BJP, which has chosen to field Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad from that seat instead. Meanwhile, Sinha slammed Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the party President Amit Shah for denying ticket to veteran leader LK Advani as well. Now, he called this move disgraceful and in poor taste. He also said that such a move was expected from an autocratic rule of one-man show and two-men army. Milan continues to be with me in the newsroom. Milan, this move was much delayed. If at all he goes ahead and joins the Congress party today, this was actually in the offing for quite some time now, and probably BJP giving that ticket to Ravi Shankar Prasad became that last nail in the coffin for Shatrughan Sinha.
Well, in fact, Riha, that was the first signal that came out from the BJP camp that Patna Sahib constituency, Shatrughan Sinha will not be contesting from there. In fact, he's already been a two-time Lok Sabha member from that particular constituency. And in the past also, we've seen how Shatrughan Sinha has been openly critical of BJP party leadership as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP chief Amit Shah. And, going forward from there, he's also said how the party did not give a ticket to LK Advani, and he was very keen on contesting from Patna Sahib, and which is when Ravi Shankar Prasad was offered that Lok Sabha seat. That was indeed the final nail in the coffin that the BJP will not be giving him a ticket. So sources telling us he's likely to join the Congress today between 11 a.m. to 12 noon. And certainly senior leaders from the Congress party will also be present at his induction in the party today.
All right, Milan, thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.